How to book cab in Uber. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can book cab in Uber. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to book cab on Uber, simply open up Uber. Now make sure to allow your location. Here I have disabled the location, so you can see at the homepage you'll find enter pickup point. You want to tap on it, and now you want to enter pickup point. So I'll just enter in the pickup point here, any random one. So once you have entered in the pickup point, you wanna enter in the destination as well. So once you have entered in the destination, it'll give you the options here. Now you can choose your UberX, Comfort, any cab that you wish to, and then add payment method and choose it and book the payment. This is how you can easily book cab in Uber. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.